Okay, so I am at Weyerhauser, however you pronounce it, sawmill checking in. I'm in Magnolia, Mississippi. I didn't go to my other pickup while I went there, but I deleted that video because my dispatch called me or texted me and told me just leave there. We're not going to load there. So now I'm here. I haven't been here in a long time. All right, but let me go ahead and check in so I can get started, so I can do what I gotta do and get ready to go to the house. All right, so here's the list of rules right here. Gotta have your PPE, of course. Gotta remain in your truck at all times. Gotta throw all your straps before you move. You can't climb on the load. And they gotta use the tarping machine. I really don't like using a tarp machine, but oh well. And then after you check in, they print your paperwork out right here, and you gotta wait in your truck, and your shipment number would be posted somewhere out here on a sign or something. So when it's my turn to pull to the back to get loaded, my shipment number will display right here on this sign. Sawmill. Look at all of this. Almost done already. Got half of the trailer loaded, I believe. Look like it back there. Oh, okay. I try to get me one scrap thrown, as y'all seen, but you gotta stay in the truck. Some of these places you go to, those guys be pretty mean too. You know, they be just kind of like rude or disrespectful